This is mass m, spring constant k, and natural length of the spring I'm taking it to be L naught. Right? The spring, this is block A, which is connected to a rigid wall through a rope. Now here another rope is there, which is connecting to a different block B through a pulley. Correct. So they are saying that initially the system is at rest with the spring at its natural length, all right, with the spring at its natural length, and then the string connecting A with the wall is snapped. Snap means it is cut off, टूट गया. The wall is snapped. Correct. Find the velocity of A when it breaks off the surface. So the meaning of breaks off the surface means what? It means losing contact with ground. It means losing contact with ground, right? Achha, one more information is provided here, and that information is this is a smooth surface. There is no friction present anywhere. Correct. Okay. Fine. So now first we will see diagrammatically or schematically how and why it is going to lose contact with the ground. So if you see the abbreviated diagram when the string is snapped actually, so let us observe it. Try to understand. It is the initial position of the block. As the string is snapped, this block will start moving in the rightward direction and block B will fall off in the downward direction. Right now? So at some point of time, the block A will come here. This is mass M, block A. And at this instant, the spring is elongated. All right? Correct? Okay. And with this, B has also moved a distance in the downward direction. Correct? So now, if you check, when the spring is elongated, in this direction, spring force Kx will act. All right? If I take this angle to be theta, then this is also going to be theta. So what is the component of Kx in the upward direction? Kx cos theta. In the downward direction, what is the force? Mg. And one more force is acting, that is normal reaction. Right? Clear? Fine. Is this okay? Respond everyone if this is okay. Right. So now you check for A was moving horizontally, right? It was not having any vertical acceleration. So for A, can I write kx cos theta plus n is equal to mg? Respond everyone if it is okay for you. Correct? It's a very simple thing to understand, right? Now you try to understand from here. What I'm going to take this picture to next page. Now you see here, you see when A is leaving the surface in contact, normal reaction will become zero, right? Losing contact with the surface means normal reaction becomes zero. So from the previous equation, we will get kx cos theta is equal to mg. So I'm writing cos theta is equal to mg by kx. So that is one equation we are getting. Okay now? Fine. Achha. Now from here you can see a right angle triangle. What is that triangle? You check. Can you see the triangle? This angle is theta. This side is L naught and this side is L naught plus x. Alright, I am taking this separation as a D. Alright, so from this triangle, again we can write, cos theta is equal to L naught divided by L naught plus x. Is it clear everyone? Right. So do one thing. From these two equations, you tell me how much x is coming. Calculate x and tell me how much x is coming. Everyone do it. Snehita?
Sir, mg L naught by k L naught minus mg.
Wait, hang on.
Oh.
mg L naught
By k L naught
minus
mg.
mg.
Hmm.
So this is the x value that we are getting. So the moment we get the value of x from here, we can now easily calculate the value of d, that is equal to root under of L naught plus x whole square minus L naught square. You don't have to calculate, just remember. Yes, Mr. Divit Reddy.
Sir, there how L naught plus x we got.
How L naught plus X we got? Tell me, there is a rope of length 3 meter. The length of the rope is extended by 0.5 meter. What is the new length of the rope?
3.5.
Excellent. You understood.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, after doing all these things, you check one thing. What are the forces that are doing it? So now we are going for step one. What is step one? Step one, I told, identifying the forces which can do work. So what are the forces? You check. One force on B is acting in the downward direction, that is mg. If this separation of A is a D, try to understand one thing. If A block is moved by distance D, so the distance by which B is lowered is also D. Why? Because they are connected system. Correct. So there are two forces that are doing the work. One is mg, that is acting on B, and another is F spring. Right? These are the two forces. This is tension. Tension internal force will not perform any work. Correct? Is this clear? Respond please if it is clear. Professor?
से स्प्रिंग फोर्स इंटरनल फोर्स नहीं है क्या?
नहीं. कैसे इंटरनल फोर्स है? सारा ब्लॉक को खींच रहा है अभी.
तो टेंशन भी तो खींच ही रहा है.
कहाँ खींच रहा है? ये तो बाई प्रोडक्ट है mg का.
ओके सर.
ये टेंशन और ये टेंशन कैंसिल नहीं हो जाएगा क्या?
सर तो ऊपर वाला स्प्रिंग फोर्स कैंसिल नहीं होगा क्या?
किसके साथ कैंसिल होगा? पेड़ से टपक के आएगा फोर्स.
नो सर.
जोर जबरदस्ती ऐसे कैंसिल करवा देगा वे. हर्षित?
सर एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दो सर कि इंटरनल फोर्स और एक्सटर्नल फोर्स कैसे पता करें?
क्या पता करे? टेंशन एक्शन रिएक्शन पेयर फॉर्म कर रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
दैट्स इट. हो गया ना फिर. तो अगर ये तेरा प्लस टी इंटू एक्स है, ये माइनस टी इंटू एक्स है, मार दो, सम जीरो हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
श्रुतिक?
Due to network issue, I joined now, sir. Once can you show the
Great, excellent.
PDF? Sir, next. Yes, sir. Next one, sir.
Wait.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Fine. So now I am going to write the work energy theorem. So from work energy theorem, work done by spring plus work done by mg on B is equal to change in kinetic energy of A plus B. Right now, because both will move with the same velocity as they are connected. ठीक है जी. See, the spring is moving from relaxed length to elongated length. You can see this is the relaxed length, L naught, up to elongated length. So work done by the spring will be negative. So minus half kx square. Why this minus sign is coming? Why this Kolavadidi? Because spring is moving from relaxed position to elongated position. Harsha?
Sir, can you show the previous page, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Plus, अरे यार, you check the work done by mg. Mg is acting downward. Block B also moving downward. So work done by mg on B is positive. So I'll write plus mg into D is equal to half of Both are having the same kinetic energy, so half 2m into v square. Initially they were at rest, so kinetic energy is 0. Is this clear to everyone? If there is any doubt, feel free to ask. Check out with the diagram once again. So spring is getting extended. I already told in the class, when the spring will move from relaxed length to elongated length, work done by the spring is negative. And work done by mg on B. B is moving downward. Force is also acting the downward direction. So displacement and force are in same direction. So work done by that force is positive. Is it okay? Correct? Fine. So now let us calculate this one. So what we are getting actually, this 2 will be cancelled. So v square equal to, we are getting into d minus k by 2m into x square. So the value of v will come to be g into d minus kx square by 2m whole to the power half. So this is the required answer. So I request everyone, take your rough copy and go through this question once again without looking at the solution that I have done. Everyone please go through it. I will just keep the question in the beginning. Diagram is there in front of you. Just make a dry run for the entire question. All of you just practice it once. That is the best way to check whether you have any doubt or not. If you practice and exactly in which step you are having doubt, you will get stuck. Madan ji, boliye.
सर वो kx cos theta plus n is equal to mg वो कैसे है
नेट फोर्स 0 है ना, वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में आपका ए का तो एक्सेलरेशन कुछ है नहीं.
हाँ
तो अगर एक्सेलरेशन 0 है तो नेट फोर्स तो 0 हो जानी चाहिए ना. सो नेट अपवर्ड फोर्स इक्वल टू नेट डाउनवर्ड फोर्स. समझे?
ओके सर हाँ समझ
हर्षित,
सर kx sin theta एक्ट नहीं करेगा?
किस पे एक्ट कर रहा है ना, बट वर्क डन बाय द स्प्रिंग तो हाफ kx स्क्वायर है.
ओके सर.
kx sin theta इस डायरेक्शन में एक्ट कर रहा है, बट वो मेरा कंसर्न नहीं है ना, क्योंकि इस ब्लॉक इज मूविंग अलोंग हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. आई वांट टू चेक दैट in the vertical direction acceleration is equal to 0. So what is the condition I am getting?
Okay sir.
Right? Yeah. प्रोफेसर
सर एल नॉट प्लस एक्स ही क्यों कर रहे हैं?
क्योंकि x इलोंगेशन है तो एल नॉट प्लस एक्स हो जाएगी ना.
सर तो हमें कैसे पता वहां पे एक्स ही होगा, कोई और वेरिएबल नहीं हो सकता?
हाँ, तू ले कि इलोंगेशन इज इक्वल टू गधा, तो लेंथ हो जाएगी एल नॉट प्लस गधा. क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें?
सर तो फिर हमने के एक्स ले रखे हैं ना, तो कैसे होगा?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा तू क्या बोल रहा है.
सर हम लोग एल नॉट से फाइंड कर रहे हैं ना एक्स का वैल्यू. तो अगर हम लोग कोई एक वेरिएबल ले लेते हैं y, तो फिर कैसे होगा? यहाँ पे एल नॉट बाय एल नॉट प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू एम जी बाई के एक्स.
एवढा हो गया साले, वो कौन सा वैल्यू आ गया बे?
वही से नहीं आएगा आंसर.
फॉर अ इलोंगेशन ऑफ एक्स की स्प्रिंग जब इलोंगेटेड हुआ एक से मार्जिन, तो मैं बता रहा हूँ उस पर वो कॉन्टैक्ट छोड़ देगा. तो मैं उस एक्स को निकाल रहा हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ द नोन वैल्यूज.
ओके सर, ओके सर.
दिनेश
Sir, in the formula mg,
नेक्स्ट टेल मी
Sir,
हाँ, tell me now.
sir, in the MGD, the formula is potential energy formula, no, sir?
No. Now we do not know about the potential energy. It is only work done.
Okay, sir.
Okay. No talk about potential energy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Done, Betu. Last page is there. Divit.
Sir, once explain that how we got work done by spring force.
Once explained how we got the work done by spring force. Were you present in my previous classes?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? 100% you are not sleeping?
No, sir.
I hope so that you are not sleeping, but I am very much doubtful that whether you are not sleeping or not. Can you see there is something written? Can you see? Many diagrams are there.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
चले बॉन्ड बीटा पीके सोता रहेगा ना, यही होगा बे दिनेश.
Sir, work done by A we do not take, sir.
Tell me बेटा.
Last page, work done by A.
Work done by A is not there na. Work done by mg on B.
E not there, sir.
No. There is no force on A which are acting and doing the work.
Kx sin theta acting.
Work done by a spring is equal to minus half kx square. You do not calculate work done by individual component of forces.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Pujita madam.
Sir,
Tell me, madam.
sir, here both the blocks are moving with the same velocity, no, sir.
Yes.
When in some cases we are taking two different velocities, no, sir.
No, suppose if this block is lifted, the moment it is lifted, they will have different velocity. But till the time this block is maintaining contact with the ground, they will have the same velocity. Remember, it's a connected system. So any connected system is bound to have the same velocity as there is no elongation or compression in the rope.
Only these connected systems, we should take common velocity.
Yeah. Suppose it's a very simple experiment. You take two bricks at your home. You connect the two bricks by a rope. Then you pull one brick. The other brick will also move with the same velocity only. It is because the connected system is there. Okay? राजा बोलो रे.
सर ये kx sin theta opposite act कर रहा है ना, वो काम गया
है ना. वो तेरा जो मैंने हाफ kx स्क्वायर जो मैंने लिया, ये माइनस हाफ kx स्क्वायर के अंदर में कंट्रीब्यूशन ड्यू टू x sin theta is there and kx cos theta is also there. यहाँ पे इंडिविजुअली kx sin theta का लेने का जरूरत नहीं है ना. वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग वर्क डन बाय द स्प्रिंग. अगर मैं इंडिविजुअली कैलकुलेट करूं कि भाई व्हाट इज द वर्क डन बाय kx sin theta, फिर मैं निकालूंगा व्हाट इज द वर्क डन बाय kx cos theta, बात तो सेम ही आएगी. Sure?
Sir, but calculating for the work, we will have to take the component of force along the displacement also.
अच्छा, अगर इतना डाउट है तो भाई मैं बता ही देता हूँ यार. खाली पीली इतना क्यों टेंशन लेने का.
No, sir.
देख, ये ब्लॉक है, इसमें तुम लोग बता रहे हो सर ये kx sin theta काम कर रहा है.
No, sir, I have doubts, sir.
मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली वो इतना ही आएगा, वो मैं उसको तुझे दिखा देता हूँ एक्चुअली. सो अगर ये वैल्यू है kx sin theta, तो ये एक वेरिएबल फोर्स है. क्यों वेरिएबल फोर्स है? बिकॉज साइन थीटा चेंज हो रहा है ना. राइट. तो मान ले इधर मैंने इसको ऐसे रखा, ये है ना तेरे L नॉट प्लस एक्स. तो मतलब तेरा इस तरफ जो इलोंगेशन है या डिस्प्लेसमेंट है वो हो रहा है कितना, मैं उसको ले सकता हूं ना dx दोस्त. करेक्ट, समझ में आया? अच्छा, अब मुझे बता, ये एंगल मैंने थीटा लिया था, सोच के देख.
Yes.
ध्यान से समझ. ये एंगल थीटा है मेरा, करेक्ट, इस तरफ, इस डायरेक्शन में। तो मैं अगर इसका कंपोनेंट निकालूंगा फोर्स के डायरेक्शन में, तो उसका कंपोनेंट कितना आ जाएगा रे? dx बाई साइन थीटा, क्योंकि मुझे यहां से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करना है ना। थोड़ा भावनाओं को समझाइए। चेक करो, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं। देख, ये थीटा है तो ये 90 माइनस थीटा है, ये भी 90 माइनस थीटा है। तो इसका कंपोनेंट इस डायरेक्शन में कितना होगा? dx बाई cos ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा, मतलब dx साइन बाई साइन थीटा। तो अगर तू कैलकुलेशन मारेगा, वर्क डन बाय दैट फोर्स, आ कितना रहा है तेरा? kx साइन थीटा इंटू dx बाई साइन थीटा। साइन थीटा गया कैंसिलेशन, सो kx dx इंटीग्रेशन मार क्या आ रहा है? शिवा क्लियर है? तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं कोई मतलब नहीं बनता। अब नाउ लोग चिल्लाएंगे सार के एक्स कॉस थीटा किधर गया सार। अब इसका फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि डिस्प्लेसमेंट इस डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है, फोर्स परपेंडिकुलर 90 0 हो जाएगा। चल, तो अब इसमें ज्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे। This is clear, no? Fine. So let us move on to the next case, right? Now we are going for example 7. So if we go for example 7, see what happens. In example 7, I am again picking a question from Irodov. That is, there is a rough surface like this, inclined surface. Okay, ठीक है. This is B and this is H. This is H. Okay. Suppose a block has to be pulled up from the bottom of the inclined plane to the top. This is block B. This is point A. This is point B. Right? So, यहाँ पे क्या है ना? We are applying an external force F. F external. Correct. So I'm writing block of mass M is pulled from A to B with the help of an external force. ठीक है. During its journey, the block moves very slowly. Right? It has a great significance. I'm coming to that later. The block moves very slowly. Find the work done by external force. Okay. I told this surface is rough. अच्छा, चलो one by one we'll proceed. ये बोला during its journey, the block moves very slowly. The significance of this is that acceleration of the block is equal to 0. Hence, speed of the block will remain constant. So if speed of the block remains constant, then I will write during the entire journey, the kinetic energy of the block will not change. Correct? So इसका मीनिंग है change in kinetic energy will be 0. If this step is clear to everyone, tell me. Professor, this step is clear? हाँ बोल.
सर एक और बार समझा दीजिए.
ब्लॉक इज मूव्ड वेरी स्लोली, मतलब उसका स्पीड कांस्टेंट है. स्पीड अगर कांस्टेंट हो गई, खोपड़ी का इस्तेमाल कर थोड़ा सा. सो k इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर. इसमें मास तो कांस्टेंट है ही है, v भी कांस्टेंट है, तो तेरा काइनेटिक एनर्जी कांस्टेंट हो गया.
हाँ सर.
तो फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल है. दो इक्वल क्वांटिटी का डिफरेंस निकलेगा सारा, वो तो जीरो ही आएगा.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
Okay, most welcome. Professor, is this clear or any fundamental doubt is there? Thank you, sir. Okay, अभी देख, now I'm going to start the difficult domain. वो कैसे? सुनो ध्यान से, everyone. Suppose this is the surface I am talking about. At some point of time, the block is over here. At some different instant, the block is here. And at some time, the block is here. So for all these different locations, check this slope. Let us take this is θ1. Okay. Here in this case, it is like this. So let us imagine ये हो गया θ2 and this is θ3. So मैं लिख रहा हूं at every instant slope of the track is changing. है ना भाई? Slope of the track is changing. ठीक है दोस्तों? अच्छा, no problem. If slope of the track is changing, then एक बार देख तो, see in this direction, this is mg. So this will be θ1. This will be mg cos θ1. This is normal reaction N1. Correct? Similarly, in this case, normal reaction N2. It will be how much? It will be mg cos θ2. Similarly, this is normal reaction N3 and this will be mg cos θ3. करेक्ट है? समझे आप? ठीक है. तो from here I can write normal reaction is also changing. है ना भाई? Or if normal reaction is changing, friction is also changing. Mu into N तो होगा friction. तो if N is changing, friction is also changing. ये clear हुआ सबका? Is this clear to everyone? Right? Hardik,
सर एक बार प्रीवियस पेज दिखा दो सर।
हाँ,
थैंक यू सर।
शशि गाडू,
सर सरफेस इज रफ।
सरफेस इज रफ।
दिए थे हाँ दिए यस।
ठीक है ना। सो अभी देख व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू फॉर एलिमेंटल पोर्शन इन द ट्रैक। अभी सब लोग देख आराम से। फॉर एन एलिमेंटल पोर्शन ऑफ द ट्रैक, मैं ऐसे कोई एक छोटा सा एलिमेंट ले रहा हूं ट्रैक का, ठीक है। देयर आर दीज 2 पॉइंट्स। सोचो, सो व्हेन द ब्लॉक इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, दिस इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर, this is okay now, correct? So if this is displacement vector, obviously in this direction there is friction. Fine. So here friction is opposite to displacement vector, correct? And this is the direction in which mg is acting. Right? This is mg. अच्छा, अभी now we will see for this elemental portion too. देख, this angle is theta. This I have taken to be dr, correct? So can I write that this is dr cos theta, that is nothing but dx. This much is dr sin theta, that is nothing but dy. ओके, क्लैरिटी आया सबका? फाइन, चलो 1 second. So now we are going for work energy theorem. So from work energy theorem, work done by external force plus work done by friction plus work done by gravity is equal to change in kinetic energy, which is coming to be 0 because the block was moving very slowly, correct है ना? So work done by external force is equal to minus of work done by friction plus work done by gravity. Okay. For the elemental portion, we will write dW external is equal to minus of dW friction plus dW gravity. ओके ना? ठीक है, राइट। अभी देख 1 by 1 निकालते हैं कि व्हाट इज dW फ्रिक्शन. लेट अस फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज dW फ्रिक्शन. dW friction, work done by friction is negative, so minus sign is there. Mu into n, n means mg cos theta, displacement is how much? dr. ठीक है दोस्त, चल. So minus mu mg, dr cos theta is nothing but dx. ये क्लैरिटी आया? ठीक है ना? फाइन. तो चल, वर्क डन बाय फ्रिक्शन कितना आ गया? माइनस म्यू एम जी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx. What will be the limit? Come to the diagram. I'm sorry. Come to the diagram. This is b only, no? So dx limit is from 0 to b. Horizontal distance 0 to b. So 0 to b. So what is the result you are getting? Minus mu mg into b. Okay, clear? dw gravity is equal to, अभी डायग्राम पे आ जाओ. See, gravity is acting in the downward direction. ये वैल्यू अपने dr लिया था. So what is the displacement in the direction of the force? dr sin theta. Force acting downward, displacement upward. So work done by gravity is also negative. So minus mg dr sin theta. Dr sin theta means dy. So minus mg dy. So work done by gravity is equal to minus mg integration of dy. Come back to the diagram. Y limit is 0 to h. Zero to h. So what is the result? Minus mgh. Correct? ये clarity आया ना सबका? Fine. So if this is equation number 1, then from 1, what we can write? We have written work done by external agent is equal to minus of work done by friction plus work done by gravity. So we'll write minus of work done by friction, it come minus mu mgb. This becomes minus mgh. So minus minus will become plus. So work done by external agent is equal to plus mu mgb plus mgh. अगर हम लोग mg इसमें कॉमन लेते हैं तो h प्लस म्यू बी. ये आ गया हमारा फाइनल आंसर. So you see, in majority of the good questions, concept is the difficult thing, calculation is very easy. Chandra Sai, previous page.
Obviously, sir. Yes, sir.
I knew it.
Oh.
Congratulations. ले स्क्रीनशॉट मान ले, 2-3 जगह में ले ले ताकि खो ना जाए.
Enough, sir.
Everyone watch it from this page and just quickly go through a dry run in the rough copy. हाँ बोल.
सर वो केवीपीवाई के बारे में कुछ बताओ ना.
केवीपीवाई के बारे में
सिलेबस तो आप तो भेजते नहीं सर, कितना भी मैसेज किया.
आज शाम को मैं भेज देता हूँ. वो लिखी अभी मांग रही थी, आज शाम को मैं भेज देता हूँ. ये नोट्स के साथ सिलेबस में भेज देता हूँ.
नोट्स नहीं सर, मैं पीडीएफ बनाता हूँ रोज.
ठीक है,
बस सिलेबस भेज दो सर.
ठीक. अल्ताफ
सर पक्का भेज दो सर.
हाँ.
Sir, can you show the next slide?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Harsha, tell me.
Sir, in the KVPY, sir, in the interview, what they will ask?
Physics they will ask.
Mostly?
Physics.
Okay, sir. Which means about the concept, they'll ask detailed information, sir.
They will ask about the science. They will not ask you any numerical or anything. For the first time, you will get to know कि physics ऐसे भी होता है. So be honest to yourself. कोई गोल मटोल करने का जरूरत नहीं है. वहाँ पे जाके अगर नहीं आता है तो हाथ उठा के बोलो साहब जी नहीं आता है.